What I grab, everyone. Yum 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 yum. 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 This guy said, "Don't film me." I'll film you. I'll film you. Huh? I'll film you. I'll film you. It's my right to film. Huh? Yeah. You have no privacy in public. Yeah. You're not the first Redel I deal with, okay?
What?
You're not the first Redel I deal with, okay? Damn, this guy's pissed me off, everyone. They pissed me off.
Don't want to piss you off.
You know that already. Oh, look. What we found. The crybaby. Look. Look how the money we're wasting, everyone, in tax dollars right here. You're like a punk. You're a dumbass. You're a dumbass, dude. You try to be funny. You try to be funny. You know you're angry, huh? But you're not funny.
Did someone beat you up? Yeah, someone beat you up.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. That's what you say. I don't know. You're a dumbass. Yeah. Yeah. You're not funny, dude. You're just looking like a dumbass. Looking like a dumbass, fool. Yeah. Yeah, and we got these bootlickers that defend you. And I'm going to say it straight up in their face. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to say it straight up. I get in people's faces. I'm not scared. Yeah. I could care less what they say about me, everyone. If they're cowards, they're cowards, everyone. I'm not going to give cowards clout or things like that. You know that already. Yeah. 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 Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Here's the sound of Silenceboy.
I love you, haters. There's nothing more than I love you, haters. Love you.
We love you too, Silenceboy. We love you so much. We
The
love
grind
you.
doesn't stop. I'm always out here. I love you, haters, though.
We love you
You make
too.
my videos. You're always watching my videos, though.
Every day.
I love you so much. I came in the right time, peeps. You know, I came in the right time. Thank you, guys. It's super hot, though. Super hot. Here, it's burning. It's burning, everyone. It's burning like 100 degrees, but I'm gonna still bring you the YouTube video, no matter what. Damn, everyone, this guy's crazy. He has a bad attitude. That's how he shows his business, everyone. And this guy's bumping into me. Look. Can't even say excuse me. Look, this guy doesn't have manners, everyone. This guy on the left doesn't have manners.